Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another video. I told you guys I was gonna have a new schedule for you guys, and I was gonna stick to it. So if you guys haven't heard, Ascent Solar just announced that they will be doing a reverse stock split. If you guys don't know what that is, I will go over that later in this video. So I want to take a moment to ask you guys to make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Make sure you guys leave a comment. So let's get into this video. So now what they're trying to do is initiate the process to allow to be listed on the Nasdaq. Obviously when you're listed on a legitimate exchange, you're more likely to get additional capital, and there's more resources involved. So let's get into the video. So they announced a reverse stock split. If you guys don't know what that is when they're going to divide up the shares. So say you have 100 shares, you might have 10 shares going forward if they reverse it by the 10. So essentially the goal for that is to decrease the total number of shares, so eventually in turn that increase the prices. Simple supply and demand, really. As you guys know, this is a penny stock. I think it was sitting at about 2 cents a share. So obviously they're not going to be listed on any major exchange anytime soon, and so for them the only way to get their price target over $1, I think that's the minimum for the Nasdaq. You would have to condense the total outstanding stocks and make essentially increase the value of them. And so what happens, say eventually the price goes $2, $3, $4, $5 or whatever, they're listed on the Nasdaq. What happens is more institutional investors are more likely to buy in. So it kind of legitimizes what they're trying to do. And obviously once there's institutional investors involved, you also have an increase in retail investors. So I think right now a majority of the investors for ASTI, if you guys don't know, that's a ticker, ASTI. They're probably retail investors. I know at one point their stock had risen to 6 cents. I personally bought in at 2 cents. So I actually just like the concept of this company. So I figured I would ride this out for the next couple of years. So this is actually great news to hear. I think I had about 80,000 shares. So obviously it'll get condensed down to maybe 800. And I will be buying more. And I know as of today, the stock price is down, 40%, which is, to be honest, on 2 cents. It's not much. It's not going to move the needle very far at all. But yeah, so that's what's happening with Ascent Solar. I would highly recommend you guys check out this company. They've made strides since 2020. They had a rough year during COVID, and they've kind of strengthened their board of directors, their management, and they've actually increased revenue. So that's always good to hear. I think technologically they've got some good ideas. I would 100% recommend you guys check them out. And if you guys want me to obviously make an in-depth video about what they do, and I'm more than willing to do that for you guys. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, I'd really appreciate if you guys give it a thumbs up. That actually helps my channel grow a lot. And if you got any questions, concerns, leave a comment. Let me know if you guys are invested. If not, maybe even share some other penny stocks that you're interested in. Appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this video. If you guys stuck with me this far, 4 minutes in, I appreciate it, and I will see you soon.